Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news for Tuesday, December 8th, 2015. Today in the news, we have, as you know, kind of a continuing issue with what I was talking yesterday about the French want to shut down everything, almost even the internet. Hey, we've got this guy, Donald Trump, that said yesterday, hey, let's get Bill Gates to close that internet. Yeah. I can't believe that somebody as stupid as him is actually running for the Republicans in the United States. Let's just hope he doesn't get to the presidency, because that's going to be really, really a big problem. Netflix has announced that they will double the original content that they make in 2016. They already make a lot of stuff. They've been really increasing the pace of new original, series and even some movies. And they say that they want to double that in 2016 to have even more content. And it's in a way keeping the audience. Instead of just having movies and having regular TV shows, why not create our own that, creates enough buzz that we want to see it? And I think that's nice. It's new content, it's different content. So nice to see that they want to continue in that way of, creating original new stuff. Android, if you are a Android phone user, Google is rolling out Android Marshmellow 6.0.1 today. So check out the updates. Problem with the updates on many phones like Android is the fact that it's often the carrier that decides when the updates are rolling in. And that is always a big problem, because even though a update is sent out, the carrier sometimes blocks it, which is really, really sad and kind of dumb. I really think that that should not be. But if you can get it, 6.0.1 rolling out today for Android devices. Snapchat has been having problems in the past 24 hours. They've been having a lot of outages, so if you are a Snapchat user and that you cannot access, it doesn't work, you can't send out anything or receive anything, well, they do have a big problem right now with their system. They did say they're working on the problem and they're trying to put it back online as soon as possible. But as I am posting this Tuesday morning, it's still out in many major markets. So don't worry if your Snapchat doesn't work. It should come back soon. PC sales. PC sales are down 10.3%. This year, which is pretty much, what I would have thought. Maybe not 10%. It's a pretty steep decline, but still, if you look at the market, if you look at the fact that the phone market, the smartphone market is up 10%, and the PC sales are down 10%. There's part of it that's clear, not all of it, but part of it, what is very clear, is that more and more people are using a smartphone to do what they need to do, and they just don't want a computer anymore. And I think that's the biggest thing. A lot of people were saying, oh, tablets like iPads are taking the PC market. No, it's not. What's taking the PC market is the smartphone. The smartphone is your device. You got it with you all the time. It has the internet everywhere you go. It is the ultimate device. So it's kind of normal, and I don't see any turnaround of the PC market ever. I do see one thing. It will slow down, meaning that now it's 10, but I don't think in 2020 it's going to be 10. We're still going to have PCs. We're still going to have laptops in 2020. But the decline will, at some point be very, very small, because we'll eventually reach the core of users that still want a laptop or still want a desktop, and that's not counting the business user that are still in computers, they're still in desktops, they still want Windows machines, and that on that market there's no decline. It's still there. So I think it's just readjusting itself. And people don't have a gazillion dollars. If you buy your smartphone and you pay $600 for it, well, that is the $600 they had for a laptop. So they'll get their smartphone and they won't buy anything else. We gotta, understand that. But I do think that, with the 6 months left for the upgrade to Windows 10 in 2016, I would, think that next year, if I'm still here making these videos, I wouldn't be surprised that maybe next year we would be moving to actually the decline will be smaller than this year. If we're 10% this year, I would bet that next year, yes, there will be a decline probably, but I don't think it's going to be as steep. Anyways, time will tell. Time will tell. And the shipments, this 10.3% down means that the shipments of new computers this year were at 267 million PCs. Thinking about it, yeah, it's a decline, but 260 million computers is not a bad number. It's still, a lot of computers being sold out there. And it's not like, 20 years ago, but it's still a nice market. And that was the news for Tuesday, December the 8th, 2015. Don't forget, today at 3 p.m., we have our live show where we answer your questions. We already have a lot of questions that have been sent to our email. So 3 to 5 Eastern, that's 2000 hours Universal Time. And if you enjoy our videos, you can subscribe to our channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know, let us know. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos. And thank you so much for following me on this channel.